guys. So, good morning. We will... Hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi ko. Sorry, just woke up. Today is the Star Magic All-Star Games. Yun ba yung tawag doon? Yun, di ba? Yeah. So, kung di nyo man alam, kasali ako doon. So I got invited to play for the Spikers. Anong tawag sa team naman? Ladies Spikers.
Ano ba yan? Hindi mo pa alam yung pangalan ng team nyo.
Yeah, so I'm playing for Lady Spikers against Lady Setters. Oh, bakit? Dapat
Alam mo pa yung kalaban.
Hindi, alam ko lang yung Setters and Spikers. Nakalimutan ko na may Lady pa. So, this is my just woke up face. So, ayun lang. So, see you in a bit. Mag-ayos na kami ng face.
Nails check.
Nails check. Oh yeah, we just got our nails done. This is my nails. Short lang kasi nagsistart na ako mag-training ulit and nasusugat ko na yung sarili ko. Saya.
Ito yung akin.
Hi! Hey! Hey! Hindi sila natapo. Buti na lang ganito lang yung in-order natin.
Salamat sa tulong.
Dahil tinatamad kami mag-ayos ng food. Mag-ayos ng food. Hindi na kami kakain. This is my order. Tomato, mozzarella, pasta, my favorite chicken pesto, sandwich, and then yung natapon na Java Chip na hindi natapon.
Walang matapos.
Ito
Chicken
talaga
lang.
yung usual
Java
order.
chip
Ito
chicken.
talaga yung usual order ko, pero mainit ba yan? Wala, kadiri. Tapos, drink din niya yung muntik naman.
Shake it. Java chip shake. Shake it lang.
So, bago ang lahat pala, kailangan ko mag-antigen test. So, I have my testing kit here. So, we are praying and hoping na negative. Tagal ko na bago mag-ganito. I mean, natagal na ng since yung last test ko for this. Grabe, expert na ako dito. Necessary yun. Necessary yun, yung uubo ka after tusukin yung long. And then we are closing this. And then we will pour it here. And then we wait. So habang naghahantay tayo, gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you so much Star Magic for inviting me sa prestigious this event, and I'm so thankful that I got to meet amazing ladies. Ay, ganun, yeah, na napapanood lang natin yan sa TV.
Ba't ako nasama?
Papanood lang natin sila sa mga teleserye, pero for the past weeks na I got to train with them, it's more than yung mama. Parang they're more than what you see in the television. Parang there's a whole lot of personality and they have a lot to offer pa as a person outside the TV. So, I got to witness that. So, I'm really thankful and really happy that I'm here. I got to know them more and be friends with them. So, thank you so much, Star Magic, Cap. Thank you. So, ang result natin ay we are negative. Tuloy ang laban. Hey, we're here.
Vloggers Hey! Uy, Tsunayin.
Oh yeah!
Uy, Tsunayin.
Hey, hi.
Hi everyone, we are your team Duck. It's Danny, Aura, and Seth.
Oo nga, no? Ang bilis mo doon.
Bakit tayo na S? Bakit?
Okay.
Pero madami tayo.
Para grupo, Duck.
Sige po. Hello po, Sed nga po pala.
Hello, Brando.
Nice to meet you.
Ikaw lang hindi ko na-meet sa cream line.
Yes, yeah. Wala na ako, no?
Oo, sinadya ko talaga. Official sa...
Sige po, bye-bye. Ano ba? Bye-bye. Tatalunin namin kayo. Charot! Sabi ko kay Aura, sino sila?
Dala Kuya Kong yan, huwag ka malito.
Ang blurred kasi nung paningin ko pa. Yung sila pala to, guys.
Yan guys.
Ay, ang galing! Nagre-rehearse sila. Ang saya! Pwede po magpa-picture?
1, 2, 3, isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Nasa Pinas ba si Mano?
So on behalf of the Akai Chargers, we would like to present our flask and merch to the one and only MVP of the team.
Oh, thank you! Thank you so much! Uy!
Hi, Tia.
Conscious na ako ngayon. Joke lang.
Because the last time,
Because the last time, I wasn't so conscious.
no comment.
Sobrang important na event na to, nagpapakso ng buwan.
So, jersey reveal. Jersey reveal. It's giving UST. UST vibes. Ito, yung kalaban.
It's giving Ateneo. It's giving Alas Pilipinas. Ganito na yun.
Get ready with
Ay! BGRWM! Hello po! Ano ba tawag sa mga, ano nyo?
mga sis lang. Mga sisis.
Ano tawag?
Mga sis lang po.
Hey sis! How are you? Grabe ka na, Derby. Kasi may... Uy, pinalo kita! Pinalo kita! Ay, talaga okay! Hanapin ko si Sed mamaya.
Wala po kang IG.
Wait! Kasi po...
Kasi ako,
IG is so much fun!
wala.
Talaga? Happy Ay, naku ka! Naman!
Ano, papasa po, kapani-paniwala.
Pwede na artist? Pwede. Pagkakailangan nila ng volleyball player. Sabihin ko si Sed Domingo. Wait lang kayo. Maarte yan.
Yes. So, ito
Buti
yung
kayo,
brushes ko.
hindi kayo interested like mag-international. Okay kayo na. Si Sed
Nakapag ano na po.
Ah, talaga? Saan ka?
Sa
Airport lang. Sorry. Bakit?
Anong
Sorry,
bakit po?
sorry, anong country ka?
Sa Thailand po.
Tapos,
Tapos umuwi ako.
tapos na.
Opo, tapos na. 4 months lang po. Yeah.
Biglang nagka-talk show, di ba? O, mga sis! O, ito na nga. Tapos na yung 4 months.
Opo, so umuwi na. Kasi 4
Tapos,
months.
not for, like, ay, hindi na babalik, ganun.
Hindi naman ako. Depende kung...
Pero yung nga, akari ka, di ba?
Yes.
Contractual yan sa tayo.
Mm-mm.
Per contract.
For, yeah, for. Blush lang. Guys, your
Akala nyo,
beauty is
wait
the
lang
key.
magkukontuno ko. Gusto ko yung parang sa Kazakhstan. Pak! Ganun.
Eyeliner and mascara.
Oo eh. Kim Kardashian.
With the long hair.
Hanggang bewang yung hair niya.
Yes,
Yes,
this is
5:45 pa tayo bukas.
NARS in the shade.
Malalate na.
Get ready with me talaga.
Malalate na naman po si Sed bukas sa call time.
Kasi magme-makeup pa siya. 5:45 in the morning.
Yes. So we wake up 4 a.m.
4:30.
OA ng 4. O kami buhay na kami nun.
Gusto ko yung umuwi pa na yung iba.
Oo.
Hindi kami.
Tatrabaho na.
Normal po yun. As in, yung usual.
Masyadong active po kasing coach namin.
Sino ba coach niyo?
Hindi ko siya. Ay, ko siya. Siya
Kasi ang Japanese ay sanay sa...
Work.
Oo.
Hi, Coach Taka. May sinasabi si Danny.
Okay lang Tagalog. Basher yun. Kaya na yung tort.
Ako kasi pag yung mag-work sa akin, loyal na ako dun.
Sorry Sorry, gusto mo mag-explore. Girly pop. Girly pop. Si OA tsaka si Mas OA.
Ako yung OA lang.
Oh, sige, ako na naman. Ako na! Tama naman. Wala nila
Wait lang, maglalagay pa ako ng gems.
Concert pala yung
Hindi pala laro.
concert ko pala to, Ate Nix. Hindi ko kami in-inform. Kumain na. Nagutom.
Diba? Kumain ka na ba?
Pagkatapos nito, kumain tayo. Nakakagutom mag-makeup. Ano ba kayo? Oh, baka.
Oh.
Ay, sorry talaga.
Tulis.
Stroke?
Asok
Oh
ka na.
my God.
Asok ka na.
Jari Jari Baba. Sani Baba. Sani na.
Parang ewan.
Ayla, para sa akin yung hindi kayo prepared.
Para ayaw.
Wala to. Ito lang. Maliit na bagay.
Para ayaw mo pa mag-makeup kanina.
Kaya nga yung pala may dalang palette talaga eh.
Wala.
So, ito lang yung face natin. Hello guys. So, this is Thomas. So, anong masabi mo sa game today? Sino sa tingin mo mananalo?
Siyempre tayo.
True. Hi everyone! So we have here Miss... Charot! Introduce yourself with the sister.
I'm Loisa and Leona. Hello po.
So who do you think will win?
Siyempre tayo. Yun yung dapat eh. Tayo mananalo.
And Annalene and Aura.
Hello po.
Hi everyone.
How are we feeling right now?
Ready na ba? Feeling good.
Like I should.
Alam mo yun din nasa isip ko. Like you should. Oh, ano next?
It's the girl sunshine and can't Ayun na yan.
Iba na yan, iba na. This is the Get Ready With Me mirror.
This is Girls?
Yeah, the girls are girling today.
Sold out, so kailangan gorgeous.
Yes. Yes.
Gorgeous tayo today. Hindi man manalo. Oo, gorgeous.
Patingin ng gorgeous. Oh my gosh, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Patingin. Ay, okay. Sorry.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in low end, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Hey guys, so may papakilala pala ako sa inyo, pero kalaban namin.
Ay, kalaban, sure ka?
Introduce yourself, your age, and your position.
Ay, ano to, pageant? Hello, I'm Angie Christine Allen Salvacion Gorbilev. Complete name, I am 21, and my position, I have no idea. Uy,
So, the next question, last na to, who do you think will win?
Kami.
Palaban. Okay, let's see. Go. Bye. Ito, tagatin na yun, tato. Aura. Ganda.
On behalf of the Akari Chargers, we would like to thank you for inviting us. Ito po, thank you so much.
For inviting us.
Thank you so much. Akari! Sir Chris, thank you po.
Sir Chris.
Isa, ayan na.
Kapatid ko to. Si 30 daw ako eh.
Wait na. Nakakalito. Sino yung import? Nakakalito.
The Ravenna team. Andito na pala siya from Japan.
Welcome back!
Let's all welcome back 30 Ravenna. Kuya! Grabe ka!
Growing up talaga.
Ano masabi mo sa performance ni kuya mo?
Last plakak pa yung ano.
Diba? Growing up talaga 30 na Ben.
My idol talaga.
Ibang nagagawa ng Japan.
Ibang air.
Lumambot.
Patingin!
Ay, sorry.
Nakakalito! Sino to?
Another episode of Who is
Ay, huy!
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and you'll be put down. It ain't your place, don't diss my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with with you, just go get your own. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
So guys, we won. What are you using?
Lucky Beauty.
Star Magic Sported. Kasi Cap News.
Yeah!
Si Direk Nelly at si Cap News. Maraming adjourn na dedicated to
Orbit!
ang ating mga pamilya. Okay, i-award na po natin ang Philippine 6! Philippine 6 Walk Salvador! Aura Brigada! Yuna Arellano! Mula po sa Ladies Fighters, 11 points on 11 attacks. 4-time MVP, Adelaide Salvador. Ang wagi muli ang Ladies Fighters! Once again, congratulations po for this year's champion, ang Ladies Fighters!
So yeah, we won. Yabang. Guys, host na siya ulit.
Yes! Congratulations! Thank you, Seth! Thank you!
Yes! Forfeit! Guys, thank you for this. Guys, thank you for having me. Thank you for this opportunity. And ang masasabi ko lang ay sana see you next year.
Guys, sa 2 days natin nag-training.
Aura! Grabe! Proud ko kayo ng lives! Thank you, Aura! Grabe!
Patola for today's video.
Isa-isa pa lang magme-message. Our MVP.
Our MVP! Ayun ang MVP!
Tissue ka sa yung sipon na matula!
Okay, tissue!
Ano masasabi mo?
MVP!
Salamat na po ako sa...
Sabay, Jency!
Sabay, yun lang!
Uni lang. Oh, diba?
Okay, next. Ang captain boy.
Ang galing nila!
Yung glitters, yung
umiiyak eh, oh.
Number 1, nagbuhat sa kanya.
Number
Diba,
one.
Eaters? Eater, sorry. Nag-stay siya. Thank you guys. I love you all.
Ikaw, ano masabi mo?
First of all, I wanna take this opportunity to sa Domingo. I want to say Hindi guys, ang saya-saya kahit saglit lang tayo na training.
Hey, Tamara! Oh my God, ang ganda-ganda! It's the Tamara blood.
Yes, be brave guys.
Green and gold.
Talagang ano siya, be brave for
Ay, talaga may pa-message. Hi! Thank you guys for watching. Ano masasabi mo sa game?
Of course, sobrang kaming natuwa talaga at we were at the edge of our seats.
Paano yung edge? Oo nga, edge nga. Ikaw, ano masabi mo?
Ed Sheeran.
Yan sa paano mo? Padibdib mo.
At pa all white.
All white, galing din yan.
Ano masabi mo?
Patola ka sa service.
What's up? So, from Araneta, andito kami ngayon sa Bayleaf, Cavite because it's Chloe's graduation celebration.
Okay,
So, change outfit. Congratulations, my sister, for graduating. Show them your flowers. We made it. Congratulations.
Hi.
Just say hi. Ganda naman ng outfit mo. Patingin nga. Ikot, ikot. Doon, Ben. Sa corner. Yung open doon. Kain na kami.